Today is February 2nd, 2026. The world is waking up to a headline that's sending shockwaves through the tech and automotive industries alike. Tesla just made headlines with a $20 billion investment, more than double last year's spending, and a figure that's making even Wall Street veterans do a double take. But here's the twist. Much of that money isn't for building more cars, or even for expanding their existing factories. Instead, it's fueling the development of robots, self-driving taxis, and a massive push into artificial intelligence. Technologies that could reshape not just Tesla, but entire industries. Is Elon Musk giving up on the electric vehicle dream? Not exactly. In fact, he's doubling down on something even bigger. Tesla is redefining itself from a car company to an AI and autonomy powerhouse, aiming to lead the next technological revolution. For years, Tesla was known for the Model S, Model 3, and Cybertruck, vehicles that changed how we think about electric cars. But Musk always hinted at a bigger vision, one where intelligent software powers not just cars, but every aspect of our daily lives. This investment is Tesla putting its money where its mouth is, shifting from car manufacturing to building an interconnected ecosystem of smart machines that can learn, adapt, and even collaborate. The real value now lies in the software, the intelligence inside the machine, the code that makes these machines more than just hardware. Imagine fleets of cybercab Robotaxis and Optimus humanoid robots, all learning and working together, constantly improving through shared data and real-world experience. This isn't just a new product line, it's a radical new direction for Tesla, one that could redefine what it means to be a technology company in the 21st century. Tesla is betting that the next big thing isn't a new car, but a new kind of intelligence, one that can be embedded into cars, robots, and even the infrastructure of our cities. In this video, we'll break down what's happening, why Tesla is making this bold move now, and what it could mean for the future of technology, transportation, and our everyday lives. Let's dive in. Tesla's explosive growth hit a wall. After years of dominating headlines and shattering expectations, the company suddenly found itself facing a new reality. In 2025, vehicle deliveries dropped 9%, the second year of decline. For a company used to relentless growth, this was a wake-up call. The global EV market cooled, and competition, especially from China's BYD, exploded. New players entered the scene, and established automakers ramped up their own electric offerings. Tesla's profits fell 46%. The old strategy, just selling cars, wasn't working anymore. The company was no longer the only game in town, and margins were shrinking fast. So, Musk chose to pivot, not double down. Instead of fighting a losing battle, he looked for a new frontier. Tesla's new play, physical AI, building intelligent machines that interact with the world, whether they have wheels or legs. This vision goes far beyond cars, aiming to revolutionize how humans and machines coexist. This sidesteps the crowded EV market and creates a new technological moat. By focusing on robotics and artificial intelligence, Tesla is setting itself apart from traditional automakers. It's classic Musk. When faced with a problem, think bigger. He's betting that the next wave of innovation will come from machines that can learn, adapt, and help solve real-world problems. The $20 billion investment in AI and robotics marks the start of Tesla's next chapter. It's a bold move, but one that could redefine the company's future. The company is betting its future on intelligence, not just hardware. It's about creating technology that can think, learn, and evolve. It's a calculated response to a changing market. Tesla is adapting, not retreating, and aiming to lead the next era of innovation. The future of Tesla lies in how its creations think, and in the company's willingness to reinvent itself when the world changes. Tesla's pivot is transforming its factories, marking a bold new chapter in the company's history. The Fremont, California plant, once home to the Model S and X, is ending production of those legacy cars, closing the book on an era that helped define Tesla's rise. That space is being repurposed to build the Optimus humanoid robot, with a goal of up to 1 million robots per year. It's a dramatic shift from cars to advanced robotics, signaling Tesla's ambition to lead in automation. The car factory is becoming a robot factory, as old assembly lines are dismantled and replaced with cutting-edge robotics technology. Meanwhile, the Austin Gigafactory will focus on the cybercab Robotaxi, and Nevada will build the Tesla Semi. Each site is being tailored for a specific future product. Each factory is now specialized: robots in California, robotaxis in Texas, electric trucks in Nevada. This strategic realignment is designed to maximize efficiency and innovation. Retooling costs billions and is risky, but it's necessary for Tesla's AI ambitions. The company is betting big on a future where artificial intelligence and automation are at the core of its business. The company is sacrificing profitable vehicles for products that don't yet have a proven market, taking a leap of faith that could redefine the industry. Tesla is literally rebuilding its foundation for an AI-driven future, tearing down the old to make way for the new. The science fiction future is being built on the factory floor, where humans and robots are beginning to work side by side to shape what comes next. Despite the robot and AI buzz, Tesla isn't abandoning its core cars. The Model 3 and Model Y remain the backbone of the company. These cars are more than vehicles, they're mobile data-gathering devices. Over 1 million FSD-equipped Teslas are logging billions of miles, feeding data to train Tesla's AI. The more cars on the road, the smarter the AI becomes, a feedback loop competitors can't match. Tesla is committed to scaling up Model 3 and Y production, with 6 gigafactories ramping up battery output. These cars fund the AI pivot and provide the data that powers it. The Model 3 and Y are the hardware platform for Tesla's intelligence play. Tesla isn't ditching EVs, it's leveraging them to dominate AI. The cars are step one in a much bigger plan. Tesla's next big move? A fully autonomous robotaxi network. The Cybercab, designed without a steering wheel or pedals, is set to launch in multiple US cities as early as 2026. Tesla owners could add their cars to the fleet, letting their vehicles earn money while parked. This could transform car ownership. Your car becomes a revenue-generating asset. The tech behind it is Tesla's full self-driving system, but it still faces technical and regulatory hurdles. Approval for driverless operation is the biggest challenge. If Tesla succeeds, robotaxi rides could be 80% cheaper than today's taxis, making car ownership optional for many. It's a vision of cheaper, safer, more efficient transportation, but it all depends on perfecting the tech and winning public trust. Tesla's other big bet is the Optimus humanoid robot. Production starts in late 2026 at Fremont, aiming for mass adoption. Optimus is designed for general-purpose tasks, not just factory work. In Tesla's factories, robots will handle dangerous, repetitive jobs, boosting efficiency and cutting costs. But the ambition goes further. Optimus could work in warehouses, stores, or even homes. Imagine a robot doing your chores, helping the elderly, or assisting with daily life. The challenge? Building a robot that can safely navigate unpredictable environments and understand natural language. The hardware is advancing, but the real breakthrough will come from AI. Tesla's investment aims to make Optimus a true robotic helper, not just a machine. The goal: bring science fiction into everyday life. Tesla's robots and cars need brains, not just bodies. Enter xAI, Musk's AI company, and its conversational AI, Grok. Tesla is investing $2 billion to integrate xAI's tech into its vehicles and robots. This means Optimus could understand complex commands, and cars could have smarter, more intuitive assistants. Imagine telling your robot, "Clean up this mess," and it figures out what to do. In cars, Grok could suggest routes, control functions, and even diagnose issues. Tesla provides the hardware and data, xAI provides the intelligence. Together, they're building a closed-loop system that learns and improves at scale. Tesla's $20 billion gamble is high risk, high reward. The tech is unproven, and the challenges, technical, regulatory, and societal, are huge. Full autonomy and general-purpose robots are some of the hardest problems in engineering. One major failure could set the program back years. Regulators move slowly and public trust is fragile. There's no guarantee Tesla will get the approvals it needs. Investors are betting big, but any setback could send the stock tumbling. Tesla is no longer just a car company. It's betting on the future of technology itself. What does Tesla's pivot mean for us? If Tesla succeeds, transportation could become cheaper and more accessible, and car ownership could change forever. Optimus robots could transform work and home life, taking over dangerous jobs and helping with daily tasks. But there are big concerns: job displacement, privacy, and data security. Millions of jobs could be affected, and we'll need new policies and retraining. Who owns the data these machines collect? How will it be used? Tesla's gamble forces us to rethink the future we want. For buyers, it's not just about electric cars, it's about joining a network of intelligent machines. Whether Tesla wins or loses, it's pushing the boundaries and forcing a conversation about AI's role in our lives. The future is here. What will we do with it?